Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today, from the Chevrolet 100 Years of Trucks series, we are unboxing the '83 Chevy Silverado. It's a pretty cool truck, this one. And the card artwork is pretty awesome too. It's really cool. Looks exactly like the car. Let's rip into it. Oh, look at that black with the red, yellow, and the white decals on the side. And another truck that sits so low to the ground. It's pretty cool. And those 5-spoke wheels, all that chrome, like the chrome wheels. It's got the big chrome grille up the front, red interior. Oh, so awesome, this car. I really love the trucks that sit low to the ground. Alright, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the detailed views of this '83 Chevy Silverado. Thanks, everyone.